Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 drought-tolerant plants that can survive dry climates. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Even when the rain stops, these drought-tolerant plants maintain going solid. They'll endure completely dry problems while adding shade and structure to your garden. Okay, here are 10 drought-tolerant plants that can survive dry climates. Number 1. Coneflower. Typically self-sowing, coneflowers need little upkeep. These dry spell forgiving plants and also prosper in practically any kind of soil with appropriate drain. Plus, coneflowers draw in birds as well as butterflies. Number 2. Catmint. Perfect for boundaries, rock gardens as well as containers, these drought-forgiving plants have fragrant flowers that draw in butterflies and also. Catmint blooms from early summer season to very early fall, with plants that are 1 to 3 feet high as well as large. Check out more long-blooming flowers for attracting pollinators. Number 3. Augustatch. A's Joy, Augustatch grows 3 to 5 feet high, and also sporting activities purple or white flower spikes. This tall dry spell tolerant plant is a great option for the rear of a boundary. Number 4. Lantana. Plentiful flowers make lantana a welcome addition to any kind of bright yard. Clusters of brilliantly colored blooms embellish this plant, which grows 3 to 6 feet tall as well as wide. With a mounding or tracking routine, it's a great choice for a container. Look into even more easy plants you can expand in containers. Number 5. Salvia. A real attention-getter, this high drought-forgiving blooming plant generates season-long shade in practically any kind of landscape. Its vibrantly tinted columns vary from 8 to 30 inches high. These summertime to fall bloomers are also striking when confined to containers. Number 6. Lavender. It's not surprising that lavender tolerates drought, since the fragrant plant is belonging to the Mediterranean and also the Middle East. The mounding plants make attractive samplings or borders. Have a look at 5 attractive drought-tolerant hedges for your garden. Number 7. Russian sage. With 2 to 5 foot stems in shades of purple-blue, Russian sage is a genuine garden trooper. It tolerates chilly, drought, and inadequate soil. As long as you expand it in a bright area, it won't disappoint. Number 8. California poppy. If your backyard isn't one of the most productive, look no further than California poppies. These dry spell-resistant plants expand best in full sunlight, however do not mind bad dirt a little bit. Discover a lot more pink as well as orange blossoms that look just like a sundown. Number 9. Artemisia. Dependable Artemisia is valued for its beautiful, slender gray to silver fallen leaves on tall, curving stems or in low mounds, which range from 1 to 5 feet high and also large. These dry spell forgiving plants are tough as well as hassle-free. Number 10. Licorice plant. Licorice plant's fuzzy, silvery foliage expands long enough to trail, readily weaving throughout bordering plants. This dry spell immune creeping plant thrives in partial color to full sunlight and spreads out to 6 feet. Check out more attractive dry spell tolerant ground covers. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.